Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna build an AI agent using the Gemini model. So in the previous video, we have done a demo on how you can set up a basic AI agents and the features and functions. I'm gonna use the same AI agent for this video. Let's head back to the AI agent. So as you can see in the model, now the support for Gemini is enabled. Previously we did video using the OpenAI models. I have selected Gemini here. Now let's at the moment we have web search feature enabled for Gemini. If you don't want, you can disable it. Also by default it will be on Gemini 2.5 Flash. This model supports web search, but if you are using some other models, make sure that model have this feature enabled or web search this option enabled, then only this will take effect. At the moment the support for knowledge base is not available for Gemini, but in future it may be available. So if you have any sort of product related information, make sure to provide that instruction here. Let's tweak some changes. Let me include this also in our description. So I'm just specifying that any product related questions, please only do a web search on the specific domain. Let's create the prompt once again, agent prompt. So it will make the tweaks and changes according to what I just did. So let's wait for this to get completed. You can see now product assistance. You can see the skills got updated with respect to the no description that I added here. So now make sure this is enabled, because we don't have any sort of information available on the product and service. We are gonna rely on the web search only for the specific AI agent. So now let's save this. Let me make sure this is connected on our main flow. Yeah, so it's already connected. Yeah, everything looks good. Now in order to use, if you're planning to use it, make sure the Gemini has connected from your integration tab. Provide your API key and then click on save button, and it will be verified and enabled. Now let's head back to our chatbot. Sorry, let me try engaging with this. Okay, now let's ask something related to the product. So recently we did an integration for PhonePe. Let's ask something directly specific to the product. So now information available in the product section, so it will do a web search. Initially it should do as basic search. Now you can see it found some data. Rapidbott does support PhonePe, so it found information that from the documentation page. Based on it making the response, can I so it exactly giving the documentation. From the documentation giving the exact information how it looked like. And also the only limitation currently we have is the knowledge base is not included in the Gemini model. In future this will be available, or you can use the web search feature to like tackle that problem, or basic information about your business that you can feed from your you can provide it from your product and service information. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions or any issues or any doubts, feel free to reach out to our support. Thank you.